Good morning all of you. If you rub a pipe with a paper, it will get some charge. That charge is known as static electricity. Just like magnetic force, static electric force is also a field force. What my questions are, how can we test this charge on the pipe? Can we transfer this charge to another body? How can we discharge this static electricity from this pipe? To get answers for these questions, let us do an activity. Things needed to do this activity. A transparent plastic bottle with cap, a paper clip or a thick copper wire like this, a thin copper sheet, scissor, big needle or nail. Take a bottle, remove the lid and make a hole with a big needle to pass the copper wire into it. Now take a copper wire and bend it into U shape. At one end of the copper wire, take copper sheet and cut into the rectangular sheets like this and make a hole for this copper strips. Hang them into the copper wire. Insert the copper wire having the strips of copper into the bottle with lid. And wind the copper wire, other end of the copper wire like this. Charge a pipe and make it touch the copper wire at the end of the copper wire and observe what's happening. As you can see, these copper strips move apart from each other. Do you have any guess on what makes these copper strips move apart from each other? It's nothing but just due to the same electric charge passes from pipe to strips through copper wire. Like charges repel each other, these two strips carry similar charges, so they repel each other. This device can be used to test whether the object is carrying charge or not. This device is known as electroscope. In earlier days, they used gold foil in the place of copper strips, so it is known as gold foil electroscope. In this activity, we can observe that electric charges transferred from one body to another body through a metallic conductor. In this case, charges transferred from pipe to copper strips through copper wire. If you touch the end of the copper wire with hand, we will find copper strips move closer and come back to their original state. If you repeat this activity every time, we will find that the foil strips collapsed as soon as you touch the copper wire with hand. Why does this happen? The reason that the foil strips lost the charges to the earth through our body. We say that the foil strips are discharged. The process of transferring the charges from charged body to earth is called earthing. This is how we can discharge charges from charged body. Earthing is provided in buildings to protect us from electrical shocks due to any leakage of electrical charges. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.